Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercenter, and we're taking a look at the 2017 Ford F-350 in a Platinum trim, powered by a 6.7-liter Power-Stroke Turbo Diesel V8, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing. Coming with vent shades on the windows, mud flaps on the front and rear, also has the FX4 off-road package, giving you off-road suspension and skid plates. But let's take a look inside. Accommodate any other cargo, as well as reveal a collapsible storage box underneath. And then, well, that can also be locked at the hinge here. And then in the middle, you have fold-out armrest with two cup holders, as well as having two more in the middle with a 110-volt power outlet, 12-volt power outlet, and heated rear outboard seats. And this truck has a remote start, so no need to go outside to warm up your vehicle. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. You have power folding and telescoping towing mirrors, and 3 memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat, steering wheel, pedals, and mirrors. It does also have massaging front seats, which is nice for those long road trips. Now, sitting in the truck with it running, you can see it's sitting at 87,222 kilometers. Moving down to the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, and on the left, you have your cruise controls with distance spacing technology, as well as your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your trip 1, 2, fuel economy, fuel history, and compass. Then you have your truck info, such as your turbo boost gauge, transmission temperature, DEF status, tire pressures, digital speedometer, engine info, transmission temperature, and then you have your towing information, off-road status, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, and My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. And then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and CD and Bluetooth capable, so you have plenty of options there. Digital climate controls with dual zone front climate and a heated steering wheel. Bluetooth phone controls. Navigation, so you hopefully won't get lost. Whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Shifting into reverse, you have a backup camera with a full 360 view, so you can see all around your truck. And above that, you have your diesel exhaust brake, traction control shutoff, hazards, hill descent assist, lane keeping system, and your camera view again with your forward-facing camera. You also have a premium Sony sound system, so your audio is going to sound pretty decent. Moving down, you have your media controls, and then your physical climate controls, again with dual zone front climate, but also heated and air-conditioned front seats. To the left, you have your 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and trailer brake controller. And on the right, you have a 12-volt and 110-volt power outlet. Looking at your column shifter, that does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears, as well as your tow haul mode button at the end of the stock. And then moving on, you have this compartment with 2 USBs, so you can plug something in from there. Then you've got 2 cup holders that can be turned into 4, as well as a lockable center compartment / armrest with a ton of room inside, including 2 more 12-volt power outlets, so you can plug something in from there too. Then looking back, you have a power sliding rear window. And looking up, you have 6 upfitter switches, which can be wired up however you please. And last but not least, you have a twin-panel moonroof, so you can land the sunshine. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.